Hey, this is James with Geekstronomy, and this is our Marvel Select Disney exclusive Falcon Winter Soldier Captain America figure unboxing. This is a Disney store, well, Disney exclusive. I don't know if there are a lot of Disney stores left. I know we don't have any in our area, the Ohio-Michigan border area. So, but as you see, there's a little Disney symbol. And it is a great looking figure, even in the box. I mean, really. I love the stuff that Diamond does. They make some great figures. So let's pop this bad boy open and see what he's like. They're very well packaged, too. There he is outside. Okay, so there are no instructions in the box on how to assemble the wings. This is what you need to do. You remove Sam's pack. It's two pieces. There's a seam. Get in there, pop that off. On the wings, you'll see two pegs, kind of like Lego little peg things. Now that's real good English. I guess all those years in college really helped me. Anyway, you fit the pegs into the holes. There you go. Repeat with the other wing. It's a little awkward, it really is. Not exactly my favorite way to assemble. And then, there you go. It's a little more work than I wanted to do. The wings are, you'll have to mess with them a bit to get them to stay. But there is Sam with the wings assembled. To get the shield on, you remove the hand. I think everybody knows this trick by now. And there you go. The shield is attached. You can interchange different sets of hands for different scenes you want to set up. And this is the Diamond Select Disney exclusive Captain America figure from Captain America and the Falcon. It's available now. It sells for it's either $24.99 or $29.99. I'll have it in the description. But this has been James with Geekstronomy. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. And please remember to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And stay geeky.